We are trying out a new microphone today. Your girl is trying to step it up.
I attract money, wealth is in my reach. I got everything I want and everything I need. I keep my mind open, abundance overflows. I budget right and I know where all my money goes. I am debt free and money works for me. Money in my sleep, a magnet for prosperity. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. What up, Kingdom Builders? I am Ebony Yvonne, your favorite business strategist in these internet streets. I coach corporate professionals and first-time entrepreneurs on how to turn their skills, their talents, and expertise into profitable online businesses. Welcome to Soul Struck Land. This is my internet home where I help you to go from confused to the cash generating balls that we both know you are meant to be. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a little secret with you guys on the fastest and quickest way to actually get started with an online business. So if you are ready for that content, you ready for the tea, go ahead and make sure you hit the thumbs up, give me a like, and comment down below. Let me know you are here. Let me know you are in the building, hanging out with me in Soul Struck Land. All right, so I wanted to do this video today because I get questions all the time with people asking me like, I want to start an online business, but I don't really know where to start. Or they may already know that they have expertise or a particular skill that they want to monetize, but they're not for sure if it's something that could actually be a lucrative business model. And if you're a visionary like me, then you may be someone who has many ideas, right? You have a lot of different ideas of things that you would actually want to start a business in, but you're not for sure if you should start with one, if you should do all of them, or where you should start. But don't fret, I got you, boo. In today's video, I'm going to give you the tea on the quickest and the easiest way to get started with an online business. So let's get right into it, okay? Here is the big secret. If you want to get started in an online business, the quickest and easiest way for you to be able to do this is by monetizing your existing skill set, okay? It doesn't always have to be a skill set. When I say skill set, it could be your education, it could be you monetizing your life experiences, it could be you monetizing a specific skill or talent that you have, or your previous work history and experience, right? So the quickest and easiest way for you to do that is with one-on-one coaching. And this is why I'm going to say this. Literally, if I lost it all and I had to start over building a business from scratch, this is what I would do. I would literally start doing one-on-one coaching. I would probably go on Facebook and say, hey, I am helping new entrepreneurs start an online business. Is there anyone that needs help? I have an opportunity for you. And I could probably pick up a new client the same day, okay? So this is why I say that one-on-one coaching is the quickest and easiest way to get started. So number one, you don't have a lot of overhead costs, right? Where if you were going to build a boutique, or maybe if you were going to have a brick and mortar location, you would literally have to find a location first. You would have to pay for renting a building, right? If you had a boutique, or if you had physical products, if you wrote a book, if you offered journals, you would have to build up your inventory, right? You may have to take the time to find a manufacturer. And with coaching, you don't have to worry about having a location. You don't have to worry about inventory. You can literally get started today, okay? With one-on-one coaching. So you have that little overhead and you literally don't have to do much to get started. And it is the least path of resistance because it's not like you have to go out and learn something new. You are literally packaging up your expertise into an offer that you know people want to buy, okay? So when it comes to coaching, or when it comes to starting an online business, one question that people ask all the time, or one thing that comes up, it seems to be a trend right now of everyone wanting to create an online course, right? And I think online courses are great. Hello, your girl has a whole school of entrepreneurship with tons of courses to help you get started with your business. But I don't recommend that you start by creating an online course if you have not coached anyone before. And the reason why I say that, and the reason why I say the quickest and easiest way to get started is with doing one-on-one coaching, is because when it comes to creating courses, a lot of people will just create the course first, right? They go and they record all these videos, they create all these worksheets, and they create this curriculum or content based off of what you think people need or what you think people want, and you haven't tested the market first, you don't have a proof of concept, and you don't know that your process or your framework that you're teaching actually gets people the results that they want. So this is why I think it's so important and it's such a good idea to start with one-on-one coaching first. When you work with clients one-on-one, you can understand that like not all of your clients are going to be the same, right? They may have the same problem, but you may have to get them to their result in a different way. So when you do one-on-one coaching, you can start to see the different type of milestones or the work, the exercises that you're actually taking your clients through when you do one-on-one coaching. So you can say, okay, every single time I work with a client one-on-one, I take them through these 4 milestones. I always do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5, right? So then if you've had that experience with one-on-one coaching clients, it makes it that much easier for you to actually be able to create your course curriculum, because you already know what milestones you have to walk your students through. But what most people do is they just start with a course, and then they're overwhelmed and frustrated when students aren't getting the results that they want. And also they end up having to do double the work, because now they have to go back and record new videos, create new worksheets, where if you would have started with one-on-one coaching first, you would have had a lot of that stuff already fine-tuned and worked out before you actually get to creating your course curriculum. So that is why I don't encourage people to start with creating online courses. I feel like you should always start with one-on-one coaching first. Like literally, I tell you, if I lost it all and I had to start over, I would start with one-on-one coaching, because it's easier to get one-on-one coaching clients, and it also helps you to fine-tune the framework or the process that you're taking people through to get to their desired results, okay? Another reason why I really focus on starting with one-on-one coaching is because this gives you an opportunity to really build a business in your zone of genius, doing something that you love, where you're leveraging your strengths, where you're walking in your purpose, and you're able to show up for people and get them to a result simply because you know that it's something that you're experienced in. It's not like you have to learn something new in order to build this business. So let me know down in the comments below, what skill, what talent, what expertise do you have that you can actually turn into an online coaching business? If you don't know, that's cool too. Drop a comment below and I will be there to help you out. Now, I know in this video I'm telling you guys the quickest and easiest way to start a business is by doing one-on-one coaching. But no need to fret, okay? I'm gonna do another video on how you can actually turn your one-on-one coaching services into multiple streams of income and create a product lining system that allows you to create other avenues of revenue in a future video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so so that when I upload the next video, you will be the first one to get all this tea. Now, if you are ready to turn your skills, your talents, and expertise into an online business, make sure you click the link in the pinned comment below so that you can get my exact step-by-step framework for turning your skills into a profitable online business so that you can generate 10K in revenue on repeat month after month after month. All right, the link is going to be in the pinned comment below, so make sure you click the link and sign up for the masterclass, and I will see you in the next video.
Make a window, and when that money come, every dime I make, I don't spend it all. Yeah, I stack and save, got a hustle account, and it's in my name. High rate of return, so I can live my